We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
The most important type of Hakka instrumental music buying can be classified into 3 types, depending on the performance occasion and the instruments used. The most readily recognized type is 吹长乐 or wind music. This is played by 2 to 4 musicians at religious ceremonies and consists of the oboe-like suona, accompanied by cymbals, drums, and gongs. The other major type of buying is 玄索乐 or string music. Popular at the end of the Qing dynasty, 玄索乐 was performed more formally for musical appreciation. Consisting of string and wind instruments with or without percussion, 玄索 ensembles played mostly short folk tunes and traditional pieces. Sometimes Hakka opera and mountain songs were also performed, with the suona playing the vocal melody. In both cases, the suona player has the lead role, deciding tune and tempo. The third type of buying music is 小子调 or flute music. As its name suggests, the orchestra is led by a bamboo flute or pipe. Although not as popular as 吹长乐, this type of buying is also played at temple festivals. Hi, I'm Joseph Lin, and this is our Hakka lesson of the day.Hello,
你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong.
Okay, today I want to learn how to ask someone if they have a girlfriend. And in your case, Alice, you want to ask if they have a boyfriend. All right? 这个今天想要学一下，如果要问碰到一个女生，想要问她有没有男朋友，对不对？到底要怎么问？那你的话，当然如果碰到一个帅哥，要问他有没有女朋友啊，对不对？等一下可以问我啊。
好啊。
哦，来教一下先。
先从男生吗？
先从对女朋友，你有没有女朋友？
你有什么朋友吗？
什么这个有学过吗？
什么就是女生吗？
就是女生。什么朋友就是女朋友啦。
Yeah.
哦，所以这是我的女朋友，就是这是我的什么朋友。Oh, that's it. Okay. Then how about boyfriend?
你有谁来朋友吗？
谁来啊？
谁来？
什么也是女生，谁来变男生哦。哦 ，Okay. Then how about if it's just not people? Let's say, do you have a car? 你有车子吗？也可以这样子用吗？
做对啦。
啊，真的吗？
你有菜吗？
你有菜吗？So there you have it. 你有 whatever vocabulary you want to put in there. 么？
你有嘛该么？
你有嘛干就是 whatever, etc., etc.
Yes.
So that's a grammar structure we just learned today. That's kind of a new thing. And that's it for our Hakka lesson of the day. I'm Joseph Lin.
是我大家。
俺是谁张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.